While you may believe that your tongue is only one hue, the truth is that this small muscle organ can be any color. A tongue's color can change to red, yellow, purple, or another color, and its form can be influenced by specific health issues. Although it's not uncommon for your tongue to change color, it's still not an indication of good health. If you're unsure whether the color of your tongue is healthy, here is the explanation on what tongue color tell about your health.
Maybe you don't think about your tongue too much, but when your doctor tells you to open your mouth and stay out your tongue, he knows some information about your health. Be aware of this. These 9 changes on the tongue reveal almost all your diseases. Number 1. A few red dots on your tongue, visible traces of teeth, and a thin white surface. This appearance shows a lack of energy that causes tiredness, poor appetite, and sweating. Number 2. A yellow layer surrounded by the rest of the red area of the tongue. This applies to the problems with dehydration, skin diseases, and digestion. This manifests itself in the psyche, so these people are often in a changeable mood. Number 3. White layer, swollen edges. This applies to the occurrence of the unbalanced functioning of the digestive system and also the tendency to accumulate water in the body. People in this situation usually feel listless and fatigued. Number 4. Black dots on a purple surface, indicating difficulties in the functioning of the circulatory system, so people can have problems with varicose veins, headache, skin dull, feeling of heaviness in the legs, and chest pain. Number 5. A red tip of the tongue and a thin whitish layer. This reveals that the organism is exposed to stress, which is caused by the unstable emotional state. The energy in the body accumulates in the nodes that cause inflammation. Number 6. Red tongue with yellow in the middle. It is indicative of high body temperature, and that indicates skin problems or urinary tract infection. Number 7. Cracks in the tongue. This means a fungal infection, accompanied by insomnia, irritations, and night sweats.